Welcome to all. See, previous of last class, that is lecture 70, question 70, we consider standard case or left overhang S1, right overhang S2, span L, expression for VA and VB. Then I told there, I explained very thoroughly, this VA will be, see, we considered both of them to be upwards. VA will be 0 if, see, your VA is 0 if that overhang, that is S2 is more than sum of these two spans, sum of these two distances, or sum of these two. And if that overhang is equal, but if that overhang is more, then VA will be negative. Same way, VB will be 0 if this overhang, S1, is equal to L plus S2, these two. Whereas VB will be negative if this overhang is more than L plus S2. That is 0, reaction is 0 if other side overhang is equal to, right up, is equal to what? Overhang here plus span. And reaction will be negative if other side overhang is more than either side distances of this support. All reason I had told. Okay, now, and in question number 18, last class, I considered all bookworks. That is in terms of L and W. I did not explain much. I told you solve it. Of course, did not explain much means already standard case is over, very thoroughly explained. Anyway, already over. Now coming to numericals. So question 19, same as last time. A. One question I will ask, one or two I will dictate. Then onwards, same dictation not required. I will tell for the beam shown in figure. Okay. A beam is of length 14 meter. So they are telling beam is of length 14 meter, full length. Next, it is supported, simply supported between two supports 8 meter apart. So in 14 meter, 8 meter apart, two supports are there, A and B. I will take the C and D. And either side overhangs are equal. So 14 minus 8 is 6, 3 and 3. Okay, over. They can give the question in so many ways. See, or a beam is supported between two simple supports for a span of 8 meter and either side overhang of 3 meter. And then loaded by UDL of 20 kN per meter over the entire length. Find support reaction. See, our discussion right now is for UDL for entire length for overhanging beams. Right now double overhang, after 19 over 20 onwards, single overhang I will do. Because these are very important. Okay, start now. For all the questions, see statement, I told you that condition all not applicable, not applicable. We are not going to apply it. We are solving as a problem. So, all the questions, I won't tell once again, let VA and VB both assumed to be upwards, be vertical reactions at supports A and B respectively. Put a neat sketch. Okay, take moment about A. See, I will explain once. If you take moment about this point, look this side. Next time I will just write, you should do it. VB into 8, anti-clockwise, minus. Next time, distance will change. Minus VB into 8, plus 20 K, see, don't see this side. 20 kN per meter, see for what length? 8 plus 3 is 11 meter. Next time, suppose this is 7 and 4, 11 only. 8 and 4 means 12. So every problem I won't tell. This question important. So see, look this side. UDL from, you should write here, UDL from A to D. 20 kN per meter for 8 meter, 11 meter is the total load which will act to center here. So this is 11 meter, half of 11 clockwise minus anti-clockwise. 20 into 3, it is acting to center, into 3 by 2 equal to 0. VB will come plus 140. Solution you have to make it. High school mathematics. sigma V0 upward positive plus VA plus VB minus total load. So now directly you can do it. See, last time this UDL will create clockwise, this will create anti-clockwise, but this time we want only load 20 into full length is 14 meter equal to 0. Substitute VB plus 140, VA will come 140 kN over. Now immediately go back and enter. Now I'll do one thing, you should write once again, don't do this way. See, you write every class you have to write. See, therefore support reactions will be as shown below, and then this sketch write once again here, right here, VA equal to 140 kilonewton and VB also equal to 140 kilonewton. Not here, here you have to write. Okay, over. Now, don't see that one because that is usually apply for, I will tell you about later. But actually make a note. Full time wasted. This, if you observe correctly, 8 meter, either side 3 meter, full UDL. You write here. See, make a note here. This is a perfect symmetrical case. Since perfect symmetry is there, right here, or directly, this is only for this question, due to symmetry, your reaction VA in the upward direction equal to reaction VB in the upward direction equal to total load on beam, entire beam in the downward direction divided by 2, because this is action, this is reaction, equal to 20 kN per meter for 8 plus 3 plus 3 is 14. 20 into 14 is the total load divided by 2. Your answer will come 140 kilonewton. No sign now. Therefore, once again enter the answer. So question 19 A over. Now I will go for next B. I should remember up to where over? A over. Now B. Okay. This question I will dictate in 2-3 different ways. Next time onwards, because why same language. Now there is no symmetry. Next time onwards, you write if you want. Different ways of giving the question. Option 1. A beam is of length 19 meter. So therefore what you do? First put the beam of 19 meter length. Then it is simply supported at 5 meter from left end and at 15 meter from left end. See, 5 from left end. Okay, here. Then from left end 15 meter. 5 means another 10. So this will become 4 meter. Or it is simply supported at 4 meter from right end and also at 14 meter from right end. 4 and another 10. That is 5. Or a beam of length 19 meter is simply supported so that it has a left overhang of 5 meter and right overhang of 4 meter. Okay, remaining is 10. Or a beam 19 is not given. See, a beam is simply supported over a span of 10 meter. It has left overhang of 5 meter, right overhang of 4 meter. That also is okay. Or easiest way people will prefer is for the beam shown in figure. Okay. It is loaded by UDL of 8 kN per meter for the entire length. Now onwards, your question number 8, last class 18, this 19, and further some classes full UDL. Because it's all important for SFD, BMD and practical design. That's why I'm taking this much over. Find vertical reactions. Okay, 1 minute. As usual, upward reaction assume. Put a neat sketch. Now, Start. Take moment about A. I will explain only once. Next time I will write and stop. See. Take moment about A. Those who want, I will write a note here. See. When you take moment about only this question, A, see here A. The beam goes up to here. A up to D, there is UDL. This already I told you. Next time I would not tell. UDL, tell what is the total length of UDL? 14 meter. So, this total load is down of 8 into 14 is the load into 14 by 2. That you write. That is 1. And this side, it has got a length of 5 meter. And this total load is 8 into 5 is the total load into 5 by 2. And remember, the right side load when you consider, it will create clockwise moment. See, therefore plus 8 into, I have not told minus VB into 10, you know it, okay. 8 into 14 by 2 is clockwise, positive, and this is anti-clockwise, minus 8 into 5 by 2, 0, VB will come 68.4. Sigma V0 upward positive. Now, no splitting directly. Plus VA plus VB minus the total load 8 into 10 plus 5 is plus 4, 19. 10 into 19 equal to 0 or 8 into 19 equal to 0. Substitute VB, whatever you got, 68.4 positive. If you get positive, substitute positive. If you get negative, substitute negative. VA plus, see this plus is this plus. This plus is what we got. This all I explained earlier. Minus 8 into 19 equal to 0. You will get VA equal to 83.6 kilonewton. Right. Therefore, immediately this sketch, once again you have to write here. If you really want to learn and understand, do not enter in the original sketch. You are spoiling. You write this sketch once again. Support reactions are as shown below. Your VA equal to 83.6 kilonewton. See, I told you positive came means assumed direction correct. We assumed both upwards. VB equal to 68.4 kilonewton. Now, I will tell something for you. I will tell only once. Next time you check it. Okay, use this formula. Don't by heart this formula. I told the logic of this formula also. As per this formula, this VA equal to W by 2L, VB also equal W by 2L. W is 8 divided by 2 times of 10. L means this distance. W is 8 divided by 2 times of 10 into, if you want this reaction, these two, sum of these two spans, 10 plus 5, 15 square minus other side overhang square, 4 square. You check it, 83.6 kilonewton. And this reaction equal to, see, 8W divided by 10 is a span, divided by 2 into bracket. If this reaction, sum of these two distances or spans, 10 plus 14, 14 square minus other overhang square, 5 square. 68.4 kilonewton. Tally. Okay, this next time onwards, you check it. I will remove this one now. After some time, I will remove this one because you check it over. Now, A over B over, next C. See. Now see, I am covering all the questions so that one question symmetry. Second question, negative will not come. See here, negative will not come because this overhang is not more than sum of those two. That overhang is not more than sum of these two. Negative will come when one negative or zero chance when heavy overhang is there. Okay, that will come. Now I will do one thing. I will solve another 4 more questions. One question, VA will come 0. Next question, VA will come negative. One more question, when VB will come 0. Another question, when VB is negative. That's all, over. So question C, I set the question and write to save the time. Because I have to clean the board also. If I keep on applying corrections, board becomes dirty. Now I will not dictate the question. For the beam shown in figure, find the reactions. Over. Same statement, we'll assume upward. See, take moment about here. Here, you have to write what? VB here, VB here, VA here. Okay. Already explained just now. Minus VB into 3 plus 12 into total 8 meter, 12 into 8 into 8 by 2 clockwise, minus 12 into 2 by 2 anti-clockwise. If I explain further, some will stop seeing the class. They will tell, he is telling this 1000 times. Okay, 0, you will get VB plus 120 kN. Sigma V0 upward positive, plus VA plus VB minus 12 into total 10 equal to 0. Substitute VB 120 kN. Substitute. Oh, VA comes 0. Yes, therefore, lastly make entry. One more sketch. This reaction VB, not here, here you are right. Never enter in the original diagram, equal to 120 kilonewton. That's all. If you are that much eager, right here, VA equal to 0. Now do one thing. Go there and check. I told VA will be negative, VA will be 0 if this reaction is 0. Reason I told you last time, very clearly using a model also, crystal clear explained. Go back to that class 17. Okay. I told VA will be 0 if that overhang, that is S2, if it is more than sum of these two. Yes, correct. See, exactly, this is 5, sum of these two is 5, therefore 0 came. And remember, that is only for full UDL, only UDL over entire span. Other type of load, you have to solve the question. Okay, over. Now I'll do one thing. I'll go to question number D. A, B, B over, C over, now D. To save the time, I'll change the question here. Okay. 3 meter. This is 4 meter. This is 8 meter. Okay. First question is as it is given. See, that's all. Okay, right. For the beam, supports are there. Okay. Out of scale. Okay, no problem. For the beam shown in figure, find support reaction. As usual, assume both upwards. See here. This is 3 meter. This is save the time. This is 4 meter. This is 8 meter. UDL, I'll change it over to 16 kN per meter. I'll change the UDL to 16 kN per meter. Start. Take moment about A. Minus VB into 4 plus 16 into 8 plus 4 is 12. 16 into 12 is the total load into 12 by 2, this all explained, minus 16 into 3 is the total load into 3 by 2. See, I am not putting arrow mark also because it is explained many times. Answer will come 16 into 12 square divided by 2 minus 16 into 3 square divided by 2 divided by 4. 270 kilonewton. VB will come plus 270 kilonewton. Okay. Then sigma V0 upward positive. VA plus VB minus 16 into 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 equal 0. Substitute VB plus 270 kilonewton. VA plus VB is how much? Plus 270 minus 16 into 15 equal to 0. Your VA will come 270 minus 16 into 15 is positive. So it will come, take other side, minus 30 kilonewton. Minus 30. Okay. Now, therefore, once again put the sketch here. Support reactions will be as shown below. If you want to make a note, we assumed VA upward, answer came positive. We assumed VB upward, answer came positive, correct? We assumed VA to be upward, answer came negative, so VA is downward 30. So lastly, put the beam once again here, and there enter VB equal to 270 kilonewton upward direction, and mark your VA in the downward direction. Now no negative, 30 kilonewton. Okay. Now go there. I told this VA will be negative if that overhang is more than sum of these two. See, finger is here, because loading on these two will push the beam down. That is only for UDL. Yes, that overhang is 8 meter. Sum of these two is 7. Oh, yes, correct. This overhang, see, for this reaction deciding, this overhang is what? Is more than sum of these two. Or if you substitute in the formula here, see, L 4 plus S1 square, 3 square, 4 plus 3 is 7 square, minus 8 square, into W is 16, divided by 2, divided by 4 will give you minus 30, this answer. That answer will come, W is 16, divided by 2, divided by 4 into L plus S2, 8 plus 4, 12. 12 square minus S1 square is 3 square equal to 270 kilonewton plus. I got positive here, I got minus 30. Okay. Just to understand, that is question number D over. Now, this is for what? Once first question symmetry was given. Second question, both came positive, no negative came. Third question, your VA came 0. Fourth question, VA came negative. Last two more questions now, E and F. E is when VB will be 0, and then one more question, when VB become negative, that's all, one round over. Okay, I will prepare the question because sketch will change. I need more distance this side. Okay, I set the question. Don't worry about it. Question number 19E. E. For this beam, find the reactions. Okay. I won't explain much here. Oh, I forgot to write the sketch only here. Okay. I removed everything. I forgot it. Okay, I'll write it. So first, as usual, assume reactions. Put a neat sketch of the beam. 862. See. 8 meter, 6 meter, 2 meter. UDL is 15 kilonewton per meter. This length is 8 meter. This is 6 meter. This is 2 meter. Okay. Because of wet surface, it is not bright. Okay, 2 meter. Okay. Now, ABCD once again. ABCD. Take moment about A. Sorry, I don't have VA, VB. Okay. VA, VB. Take moment about A. Minus VB into 6 plus 15 into 6 plus 2 is 8 into 8 by 2 clockwise minus 15 into 8 into once again 8 by 2 anti-clockwise equal to 0. VB will come 0. Sigma V 0. VA plus VB minus 15 into 16 equal to 0. VA will come 240. So go back to draw one more sketch. There, right here. VA equal to, not here, here you have to write. Never write in the original diagram 240. If you are that much serious, write VB equal to 0. Okay, now come here. See, I told VB will be 0 If this overhang, because see, this is the overhang which will try to lift it. One particular value, it's on the verge of lifting. So if this overhang, S1, 8, is equal to sum of these two. Oh, yes, correct. But remember, that is only for UDL. If other type of loads are there, then also same principle, but not this way, depends upon the load values. But whatever is there, if this overhang is more, lifting chance is there. If this overhang is more, lifting chance is here. That you should know it. Okay, now do one thing. Substitute in this formula. VB, W by 2L into, see, L plus S2 square means 6 plus 2, 8 square, minus 8 square, 0. And VA will come, see here, VA, W by 2L, that is 15 by 2 into 6 into 8 plus 6 is 14 square minus 2 square, 240 kilonewton over. Now, last question of this class, EF. I'll do one thing now. Who will wonder? Or remove distances here. 5 meter, 3 meter, into 3 beda, 2. Out of a small value, 5 meter and 1.6 meter. This is 8.5 meter and UDL is 20 kilonewton per meter. Okay, somewhat reasonably scale is okay, right? This is 8.5 meter. This is 5 meter. This is 1.6 meter. UDL is 20 kilonewton per meter. This is B. Okay, this I'll remove. See, I should not give reaction there. In the question, just like given this way. Later, okay, now start. Take moment about A. Minus VB into 5 plus 20 into 5 plus 1.6 plus 20 into 5 plus 1.6 is 6.6 into 6.6 by 2, that is clockwise, minus 20 into 8.5 is the total load here, into 8.5 by 2 equal to 0, get the value of VB. 20 into 6.6 square divided by 2 minus 20 into 8.5 square divided by 2 divided by 5. 116.86 kilonewton. But remember, negative will come. See correctly, this is higher value, minus VRB. When you take that side, this minus becomes plus, this becomes minus. It will come minus 116.86 kilonewton. Then sigma V0 upward positive plus VA plus VB minus 20 into total length 8.5 plus 1.6 plus 5, that is 15.1. 20 into total load 15.1 equal to 0. Substitute VB equal to minus 116.86 kilonewton. So VA plus, you have to substitute how much here? You have to substitute here. See, when you substitute here, plus VA, then this plus is there, bracket, in the bracket VB is minus 116.86 minus, how much it is? 20 into 15.1 equal to 0. Your VA will come 116.86 plus 20 into 15.1 plus 418.86 kilonewton. Just a minute, I will check the answer. VA into 13.5 square minus 1.6 square divided by 2 divided by 5 into 20. 359. Oh, something wrong in calculation. 1 minute. 8.55, 1.6. Oh, see, 5 plus 1.6 is 7.6 meters. See here, sometimes it is sufficient to spoil the question into 7.6 by 2. See, 5 plus 1.6, 6.6 only. 5 plus, it's correct, 6.6 into 6.6 is correct, by 2 minus 20 into 8.5, everything is correct. 20 into 6.6 square divided by 2 minus 20 into 8.5 square divided by 2 divided by 5 minus, oh, this is coming minus 57.38 kilonewton. Oh, see, wrong. Okay, no problem. Substitute minus 50, I will check the answer, 38 kilonewton minus 57.38. VA will come 57.38 plus 20 into 15.1 is 359.38 kilonewton positive. Okay, I'll check the answer once again now. 13.5 square minus 0.6 square divided by 5. 359.38 correct. Okay. Therefore, make the final entry. Once again, draw the sketch. There you write VA upward of how much? 359.38 kilonewton, and VB you mark downward. Why negative came? VB equal to, no minus now, 57.38 kilonewton. 57. Okay, now check the answer here. I told your VB will be negative if this overhang is more than sum of these two, correct? 8.5 is only 6.6. And if you want, substitute in this equation, your VB will come negative, substitute here. See, I can use the calculator inverted. Plus 359.38 kilonewton, perfectly tallying. Okay, now, just for fun I did, because I know answer will come. Solve all these 6 questions. Previous class also 6 questions, where there was numerical, that is to give you more grip. It was in terms of, it was by past tense. In terms of W and L, little more struggling, because by W, L, etc. So those 6, first study question 17 of lecture 70. Then thoroughly study question 18 of lecture 71. Then study question 19 of lecture, today's class 72. Then now I'll go for single side overhang. Only one class I'll finish, because I don't have to explain this much there. I'll give question, answer. I'll give that way. Then I'll go for mix-up loading. Mix-up loading means, as usual, UDL, point load, couple, etc., uniformly varying load or overhanging beams. Once that is over, last part is cantilever beams, mix-up loading. Then I will see what to do. Okay. Thank you.